All right, the idea of this video is, can auto captions keep up with me? I'm going to say tongue twisters, and let's see what auto captions do. We ready? Let's go. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, a peck of pickled peppers. Peter Piper picked. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, where's the peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked? I don't know what it said, because obviously the auto captions will come after this video. But let's see. Did it even get it right? I'm not sure. Let's see how advanced auto captions really are. And I don't know if the camera's looking at me. It's weird. Does it even look like I'm looking at you? It's there, isn't it? There you are. Nope. There you are. All right. All right, let's go. So weird this. I got the camera that way. Anyways. Let's go. Ready? Betty bought some butter, but she said the butter's bitter. If I put it in my batter, it will make my batter bitter. But a bit of butter, butter will make my batter better. So what? So that was better. Betty butter brought a bit of butter better. Oh man, I don't know. Did auto captions keep up? Let me know. Ready? This is a good one. I know this one. How much wood can a woodchuck chuck? If a woodchuck can chuck wood, he would chuck as much as he could, and chuck as much wood as a woodchuck could would if a woodchuck could chuck wood. Let's see what captions kept up with that one. Not bad. Not bad. This one's a good one. She sells seashells. Ugh, I can't even say it. She sells seashells by the seashore. Let's see what auto captions came up with. I hope it's not in rude. I don't even know, because it's coming on after the video. Yeah, let's hope it's nothing rude. How can a calm cram in a clean can? Never heard of that one. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. I saw Susie sitting in a shoe line. What? I saw Susie sitting in a shoe shine shop. Oh my God, that's so bad. I can't even say Susie no more. Susie works in a shoe shine. Susie works in a shoe shine shop. Where she shines, she sits, and where she sits, she shines. Whew, too many S's. Alright, ready? Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't fuzzy. Was he? That's it. I wonder what auto caption is going to say in that one. Alright, last one. Can a can as a can? I remember that one, but I don't know. I said that one wrong. Here's one that caught my eye. Ready? Eddie edited it. That's it. Alright, let me know, guys, what auto captions said. If they were even right. I hope they weren't rude. So obviously I'm going to put them on afterwards. But yeah. I'm Sach the Motivate, motivate you. Like, share, subscribe. Comment below. And thank you very much for watching. Over and out.